Hey everyone, just wanted to say hi. I wanted to explain the assignment for today. It's a little bit more of a review. Thursday, we're going to head into some new stuff. So make sure if you're one of those people that skips the videos on Thursday, you don't want to skip the video. Okay. All right. Hi. Today, you got to do your attendance form. We're going to do a review question of the day, which is going to be a doc that you need to submit. There's going to be a couple of games and then a task. All right. Attendance. Yes. Make sure you're doing that Dreambox and Reflex, not just saying that you're doing it, because I can tell. You know that. Okay. Question of the day. Where does the decimal go? So basically, I need you to multiply two numbers together, and then it's going to look something like this. Oops, never mind. Basically, the decimal point is going to be in different spots, and you need to tell me where the decimal goes in the answer. So we've gone over this. We talked about scooting things, but just remember, if you look right here, it says a tenth times a tenth equals 100th. So if I have 5/10 times 5/10, the 5 times the 5 is going to give me a 25. And I have one digit to the right of the decimal here, one digit to the right. That means I'm going to have two digits to the right of the decimal in my product, in my answer. So I'd be happy to do a one-on-one hangout with you. If you're confused about that, we can get that knocked out real quick. Anyway, this question of the day is going to go real fast. So no worries there. There's a couple games that I want you to play. It's about making equivalent fractions and finding a portion of a number. So for the fraction of numbers game online, it'll be something like, what is half of 8? Now we know of means times. So half of 8, we're starting with 8. What is half of 8? So if I split it in two sections, 4 is half of 8. So review that. And finally, there's a couple of tasks here. So what you're going to do is you're going to need to make a seesaw video, and you're going to need to show me your models. You have two options. You have the yellow option, which is when you're feeling not so hot about it, and you have the green option when you're feeling really good. So the questions are, which one is less? I'm giving you two fractions. Which one's less? So a fourth or a third, which one's less? Why? The why is where it's what I'm focusing on. Okay. So you can show me the why in pictures. You can show me the why by explaining. You can show me both, but I need to know why. And on the yellow, the second one is which one is less, 1/3 or 4/6. Now, the green option is obviously going to be a little more difficult. I would love for you to try to solve the green. If you make pictures, good pictures, then you can easily do this, in my opinion. There is a challenge activity for the day. I may post people who have done this correctly. This is completely optional. It is a challenge. So heads up on that. Finally, we got some extra stuff down here. Read that. I miss you guys. Please show up to the Google Hangouts. We're going to have 2 this week. I will post them on Google Classroom this time instead of just posting them in the slides. But those are going to be extra fun. I miss you guys. I hope you're staying safe and staying well. And I will hopefully see you soon. The Google Hangout tomorrow. Bye.